How to turn off shorts on YouTube. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to turn off shorts on YouTube. So let's get started. So first thing, just open up your YouTube application, and first thing what you want to do is just head over to your account section from the bottom right corner and click on this gear icon at the top right corner. And from over here, just scroll all the way down until you see the option that is playback, and simply disable it from over here. That is the autoplay button over here. So once you do all of that, next thing what I want you to do is just head over to the short section and just click on this three dot icon over here and just click on this not interested button over here. So once you click on not interested button, YouTube will automatically tune your interest just like this, and it will no longer show any one of the shorts just like this. Or you can also click on this three dot icon at the whole shorts section and click on this show fewer shorts, so it will no longer keep showing you the shorts videos as it used to. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.